Morning, everyone, from my extra busy clinic. It is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. Women have a cervix. Please, if you're a lady and you are not up to date with your cervical smears, do well to get your smears done. I have encountered a case this morning where I was approached in my clinic a few weeks ago with the classical symptoms of bleeding in between periods, bleeding after sex, painful intercourse, and this person, being from our own demographic, sadly a Nigerian, had been praying it away, had been told to put mustard seed in the private parts, to sprinkle olive oil, even in this country. And I was like, why didn't you go for a cervical smear? And she was like, oh, she did not know what is involved. She was scared that they will put a very heavy instrument. Watch my video on cervical cancer screening and please get yourself tested. Ndị be anyị ekenekwa m ebe ọbụla anyị nọ. Biko, n'ọnwa Jenụwarị anyị na-ekwu okwu maka cervical screening, ya wụ inyochapụ ọnụ akpa nwa nwaanyị. Biko, ọ na-ebu nwaanyị nọ n'afọ 25 gbaro afọ 15. Biko, jee jụọ dọkịta gị maka nyochapụ ọnụ akpa nwa nwaanyị. Enwe nke m hụrụ taa wụ ọ nọ na-agba ọbara, o si na otu nwaanyị ya na-agba ọbara mgbe ọ na-ya ahụ nsọ ya, ya na di ya nwee mmekọrịta, ọ na-afụ ụfụ, ọ na-agbakwa ọbara. Ọ ga na-ahụ onye ekpere gwara ya ka o kpewe ekpere. Ọ bịa taa, ọ bụrụ na ihe o nwere bụ cervical cancer. Biko nụ, jee ka eme nyochapụ ọnụ akpa nwa. Ndewonu.